So guys, once again, welcome back to my channel, The Token Trackers. And in this video, we are in the Nordom Gate airdrop, and I'm going to show you some secrets that I use to earn massively from this project. So if you are not yet participating in this particular project, or if you have just started and you don't know how to earn massively from this project, so this video is going to help you massively. So that is why I feel that you should watch this video from the beginning to the end without forwarding any part of it, so that you understand and start applying these tricks that I'm going to show you, and then grow your account massively. So guys, that is what I'm going to be discussing with you in this particular video. But before we go into that, please, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, so that you will be getting updates from my channel as soon as I upload new videos. And let's go into today's video. I've made a couple of videos regarding this project to you in the past, and I introduced and I showed you so many things about it. I told you who were the owners of this project, and I told you who is supporting them, what is their goal, and I also told you that this project is an exchange project. So it is not just like an ordinary tap to earn project. It is an exchange project, and exchange projects always do well when it comes to an airdrop. So guys, let's quickly go into it. First of all, your daily streak is very important. You can see in this particular account, this is not my main account actually, so you can see that I have 4-day streak right here, because I'm using this account for video, so most of the times I'm not constant on it. They say grab your daily reward and don't forget to drop by tomorrow to keep your streak going for greater reward. The secret about this particular daily streak is that for every day you are going to have an additional gains that you are getting for that particular day. For example, yesterday was day 3, and on the day 3 I had about 120 coins plus 4 keys, and that is for day 3. So today is day 4, so instead of the 120, I'm going to get 130 plus 5 keys. And you can look right here, if day 5, I'm going to get 150 coins plus 5 keys. So it keeps on increasing like that. So every single day, the more you maintain the streak, the more you're going to be getting this key. I'm going to tell you what you can use these keys to do, and then also more other things. So all you have to do is click on the claim button right here, and once you click on the claim, it will claim those points for you and log you into the app right now. So if you look at it, you have 3 doors right here. So if you open any of these doors, you are going to get a reward for it. So you can get coins, you can get keys, you can get different things. Now if I just click on it, let me just click on one, and it is going to open up like this, and you can see that I have gotten, they say congratulations, you found. So I've gotten 270 Nordom coins right here. So I can risk it. If I risk it, I'm going to get double of this. So if I risk it again, I'm going to get double of it. Now, by risking, there are 2 possibilities. It is either I lose or I get more. So if I lose, that's my loss. So if I gain, that's my gain. So if I just click on it and risk again like this, as you can see, you see I've lost it. So I've lost this particular one. And then if I want to resume that particular streak of opening the doors, so if I want to reclaim back that 270 Nordom coins, I need to spend 1 key, as you can see right here. But if I don't want to resume it, I can click on back. It simply means that I've lost that particular stage. So if I click on it like this, you see I've lost it, and then I have 1/10 right here. So it means that I can, what this simply means is that I can risk up to 10 times. So, and the more I risk, the higher I earn. Let me try it again. So I've gotten 270. I can click on risk and multiply. So once I click on it like this, I will just wait. It will open up like this, so I can open another door. So you can see I just opened another door and I won. You can see what they gave me. So, and I'm having 3/10 right here. So if I risk to multiply again and I open another door, this one is going to increase, and then this one too is also going to increase. As now, if I play again, if I risk to open the door again, this is what I'm going to get. This is what I'm going to get in the next door. So that is that. So if I don't want to risk, I can just come over and click on the claim price. Now there is another thing they call happy hour. So that happy hour, nobody actually knows the exact time, because it fluctuates every single day. So in today it might be in the morning, tomorrow it might be in the afternoon, so to the next day it might be any time. So it is, that one is just by luck. It's just by luck that you are going to meet it. So but me, what I usually do is that I stock my keys. I keep mounting up more keys right here. I don't really focus on getting this. I keep mounting more keys. Any day that I find that happy hour, I make sure that I use the keys on that happy hour. Now, why am I doing that? Is because that happy hour has a lot for you to benefit from. Now, to open this door right there, as you can see, I open it and I got 270. But if this particular time that I open this door was to be happy hour, I'm going to get 540 instead of 270. So I'm going to get double of it. And then the more I'm risking, that I'm going to be getting more of it like that. So it will be, you are going to be having double of everything when it is happy hour. Now you can see right here, what you have here are your keys, and then you can, if you click on this plus sign right here, you can actually get more keys. You can purchase more keys with ton or with USDT. You can see it right here. So these are the options you can use to purchase. So $1, this is like almost $1 is like 100 keys, as you can see right here. So 100 keys is $1. So that is that. So if you click on 1000 keys, you are going to see that it's going to cost like almost $8. So that is that. So now if you just come down to the game center right here, and click on it, it is going to open up like this. We have 3 games that we can play right here. So if you click on the first one, it says knock knock. So click on play now, and then it is going to load up and count like this. So and then it's a tap to earn game, so you have to tap your screen. So as you are tapping your screen, you are earning Nordom point. So all you have to do is just click tap very fast, so that you can earn more. And then let me just show you another thing. And now once you click, once you have tapped, this is what I tapped, 114. Now you have the options to just claim this 114 Nordom point, or you convert to keys. So what I usually do is that I like to convert to keys. Why do I convert to keys? If I just claim this one, I'm just going to claim 114. But if I convert to keys, one key is will be earning me 270, meaning that if I just convert to keys and just decide to open the door just once without risking to multiply, I'm going to get that will be 270 times 3 instead of just this 114, as you can see right here. So I'll just click on convert to keys, and then you can see it has added to what I had here. What I had here was 117. You can see I have 120 now. So that is that about the knock knock in the game center. So you have every 3 hours you will have access to do this particular knock knock again. And if you come down to spin the wheel right here, click on the play now, it is going to open up like this. You are going to only have one chance in 24 hours. So all you have to do is come over here, click on the claim free spin. So once you click on it, it will enable right here. So all you have to do is click on the spin, and then you just wait. So this thing is going to spin wherever it stops. That's what you are going to earn. So you can see I've earned 1000 Nordom points right here. So I can just click on claim the price, and then it is going to add to my amount. And then you have the option to purchase right here. You can see 5 spins is going to cost you 10 telegram stars. This one is not a financial advice. I'm not advising you to put money on any airdrop. So but you, of course, you know the advantage of it. Now, and the last thing in this game center is this puzzle right here. So if you click on play now, every single day we are being given a puzzle code to insert right here. So once you insert the code, you are going to earn another points for it. So today's code, I'm going to give you today's code. So you can easily get this code by simply checking your Twitter. Just search on the Twitter, and you're going to see 1 or 2 people that have posted that particular code for the day. So for today's own, I'm going to give you, it is 21956. So that is the code for today. So after inserting it, all you have to do is come down to this log right here and click on it, and then you are going to see something like this. If you are correct, you will see something like this. So if you are not correct, they will also tell you. And then this is what I got for solving that puzzle. So I got 10,000 Nordom points right here. So that is one way to be earning every single day. And that is that about the game center. So you just have to come back. I've already shown you. Now if you are playing this game, there is a sound that always comes out at the background, so you can just silence the sound right here. So if you just click on it like this, you enable it. So if you just like right now, it is enabled. So how do you know? Let me open one door, and you're going to hear a sound. So I believe you have heard that sound. So if you don't like the sound, just come over here, click on it, and you're going to see that line crossed like that. As the line has crossed like that, you won't be hearing the sound from it again. And then this section right here is where you can connect your wallet. Just click on that, and then you are going to simply go ahead and connect your wallet for you. You see, I've collected mine. I always say it, once you join a project, make sure that you connect your wallet. It's very, very important. And then if you come over to the task section right here, there are tasks for you that you need to complete and earn more from this particular project. So those ones are very, I believe they are things that you should know already on your own. So you can see this project has also featured this particular airdrop called Droppy. I've made about 2 videos about this project, and I want to think that you guys are participating because it is one of the most faded projects that, in fact, it has potentials for you to earn massively. And then if you come over to the ranking right here, this is their ranking system. So you are going to see what every person, every leader is owning in this particular project. So one amazing thing is that if you join this project and you are serious, you are still in very good position to maximize good profit. So it's not yet late. So if you have not yet started, if you have not yet joined this project, I'm going to leave the link in the description section so that you can join and start immediately. So if you come to the dashboard, to the leader dashboard right here, you'll see that the highest person is just having about 26.8 million right here. You see, that's the highest person. So the second person is also having 26, and then number 100 is just having about 4.6 million. You see, so if you join now, you are still early. It's just for you to be proactive. And then if you just come over right here, you can invite your friends. So guys, those are the simple tricks that I used to earn from this project massively. And it's all about how steadfast you are, and you're going to get so much from this project. So guys, that is what I wanted to share with you in this particular video. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link in the description and also in the comment section, so make sure that you join. And also I'll be leaving links to more other verified projects, well researched projects that you can participate and get profits from it at the end of the day. So guys, that is all I have for you in this particular video. So please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so, so that you always be one of the first to get notifications from my channel. So thank you so much guys, and see you in my next video.